What is up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into the very competitive price smartwatch which come with the features normally expected in high-end smartwatches. Features like 1.3-inch full touch screen, GPS plus GLONASS, dual mode positioning, multi-sports mode selection, 24-hour heart rate and a blood pressure monitor sensor. SpO2 sensor is also available as well. Now, the smartwatch we are talking about here is by ZEBLAZE Vibe 3 GPS. Come with the built-in 28 nanometer GPS chip, which will provide you continuous and optimized adjustment performance, even better satellite search speed and positioning, 24-hour heart rate monitoring with the safeguard using the FunDo application, support multi-stream exercise modes using the GPS option, and all the data is nicely recorded within the FunDo application too. And the battery life of smartwatch is not that bad at all. Come with the 15 days of basic watch mode use, where you can turn off the Bluetooth connectivity as well if you want to. With that way you can get 100 days no problem whatsoever. Now, details regarding battery life are available in video description too. Let's not forget about all the typical features you expect from any smartwatch, like real-time weather detail, music control, smart alarm clock, timers, remote photography option, countdown button, finding your mobile phone. Smartwatch also come with the IP67 water resistance, so you can use it in the water, no worries whatsoever, while you're walking on rain or anything like that. But try not to use this smartwatch in hot water or a sauna. Within the video we're going to check out all the features offered by this smartwatch. Now, application you need to run on your mobile phone to communicate with the smartwatch is called FunDo, available for Android as well as for iOS users. Search for the FunDo application within the search and install it. Now, to add your smartwatch within the FunDo application, click onto the more buttons and plus add device, and make sure that Bluetooth of your mobile phone and a smartwatch is turned on. Now, here you can see one of the smartwatch. Click on it to connect with it. Once it's connected successfully with the smartwatch, you're going to see the synchronization available, and right in here we are connected with the Vibe 3 GPS smartwatch. Now, process of navigating within the smartwatch is easy and straightforward, and the tiny operating system which is running on it is very intuitive as well. So let's suppose if you'd like to see the shortcut menu, scrolling from left to right, you're going to see them right in here, where you got option to do not disturb, brightness control, battery level status, find your mobile phone, and the settings tab. Now, within the settings tab, you got an option for sedentary reminder, about your smartwatch, screen light, in other words brightness control of your LCD screen, restart your smartwatch, power off, and a reset to factory default settings. And to see all notifications which you receive from your mobile phone, scrolling from left to right will show you all of them available within list. And to check a quick status of your fitness detail, scrolling from the top to bottom is going to show you detail of your pedometer, heart rate, how's it doing, your sleeping pattern if you have got any available, and the sports data if you have done anything within the day. And now see all pre-installed application on your fitness tracker. Scroll from bottom to top. Here you're going to see them all, starting with your pedometer, and here it's going to show you how many steps you have taken. You can go in more detail that every day kind of stats will be available too. Then you have a sports activity tab where you can select the workout, running, indoor, outdoor cycling, climbing, free training, and motion records if you have some. Actually, you can do them all without any problem. And scrolling from top to bottom, you can go back to the main screen. Then you have the status is also available in here with very clear detail as well, and how you were doing actually in terms of maps as well. That's not that bad at all. You can delete this all status if you want to as well. You also got the night sleep recording option as well, so as your heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, alarm clocks, control of music running on your smartphone, shutter button, find your mobile phone, settings, stopwatch, and countdown timer. Now changing the watch face is easy and straightforward as well. Press and hold on the watch face you have. You have got a selection of couple of watch faces in here. Select the one which suit your taste, guys. Altogether you have availability of 4 watch faces. Not that bad at all. Now to be honest with you, the tiny operating system which is running on the smartwatch is not that bad at all and very intuitive and works great too. Now let's talk about mobile phone call notification. If that is enabled by using the Fun.do application, you get to see it on your screen. So to prove the point, let me show you an example of it. You're also going to see the caller ID, that who is calling you, and information will be coming from your phone book straight right on your screen. You can actually disconnect the call by using your smartwatch, but you cannot attend it at all. The reason is smartwatch does not come with any hands-free feature. And you're also going to get the notification on your smartwatch from the application like WhatsApp or any other ones available within the market, as long as they are installed on your mobile phone and enabled using the Fun.do application. Now here I have a message which I received from WhatsApp application. Works great, no problem whatsoever. And if you wanted to see all the notifications you have received on your smartwatch, scrolling from left to right, you're going to see them. If somebody messaged you, called you, whatever in here, available for you in a proper sequence. You can just simply delete them from your smartwatch, no problem whatsoever with it. Works great. Now you have actually deleted them on the smartwatch, not on your mobile phone. Now let's check out the performance of heart rate sensor as well as an SpO2 and compare their results with FDA approved and accurate oximeter. So first to start with, let's go with the heart rate monitor. Now the heart rate readings which we are getting on the smartwatch is about 80, so as the oximeter about 80-81. They're currently updating each, kind of together working. And the reading of SpO2 on oximeter we have about 97%. Let's check out on the smartwatch that what we are getting by launching the SpO2 application. And once you get the readings done, you're going to feel the vibration sound as well to notify you. We are getting about 97% of SpO2 in our blood. And from the oximeter, we are getting about 98. Not that bad at all if it's compared, to be honest with you. Now controlling music which is running on your mobile phone using smartwatch is easy and straightforward. You need to open up music application on your smartwatch and a music application on your smartphone as well. And after that, all is easy and straightforward. Now only thing which you need to do is connect your earbuds with your mobile phone and control music from your smartwatch. No need to take the mobile out of your pocket at all. Well, now let's talk about the application which we'll be using on our mobile phone to communicate with the smartwatch. Now without this application you cannot even get the notification on your smartwatch. So you have to know that this application is very important for you to know and how it works actually. Now on the home screen, which was in the middle actually, let's have a look into each and every tab, starting with the Me, which is all about your profile actually. Here you can create your profile and it will show you how you've been doing around. You can check out all the detailed information in here. Next tab is the Analytics, where you can clearly see by the day how many steps you have been taking and what is your average, and the sleeping pattern as well. That's the pretty kind of information you're gonna get it, and you can share this information with your friends and family by just clicking on the top of the tab, and information about the sharing with multiple platforms available too. The smartwatch automatically gets synchronized with the application, but if you think it's not, by clicking onto this watch button on the top, you can synchronize the data as well and grab hold of latest data from your smartwatch straight within the application. Now after Analytics, you have the tab for the dashboard data, which means all about your fitness data is available in here, and it's all on your fingertips. Starting with the sports, that how you were doing in there. You can select the different categories of sports which you've been doing and select it, and it's going to show you detail about that. Next is the steps you've been taking, and you can check it out that how you were doing throughout the day as well. with the respect to the dates too. Actually gonna show me the temperature as well at the current time as well. Next one is the sleeping. It will be monitoring your sleeping pattern. You can see it clearly that how you were doing. After that is the heart rate, which is recording 24-hour, showing you how is your heart doing after heart rate. Next tab you have is for the blood pressure. So if you have been recording your blood pressure every day, all information about that is available in here. So as your SpO2, oxygen saturation. We just did it a couple of minutes ago, and here is the record for that. It also recorded what time you did it as well and what was the percentage. Now after dashboard, the tab we have is a report. So you will create a report of your throughout the day of data. Actually you can see them all in here. Now in last but not least, we have a tab which is more, all about your smartwatch in here, where you get the option for the notification settings, that what application you would like to get the notification from, SMS calls and stuff like that. You can select all applications or the individual one just to get the notification on your smartwatch. Simple is that. I have enabled only a couple of them just to make sure that it all works fantastically well for me. Next is the heart rate test, which you can do it yourself. You can start, end it, or you can also set the timings as well, that how frequently we wanted to do it. So as the remote shutter, which is all to do with the camera, you have to enable this camera option to find your smartwatch, sedentary reminder, ring reminder, set an alarm from your mobile phone on your smartwatch, rising hand activation of your smartwatch, do not disturb, firmware upgrade, unit selection. Now you can select here that what units you follow, centigrade, Fahrenheit, inch, metric, whatever, you can select them. So as the user detail guide as well about your smartwatch, how you're going to use this application too. All the detail information is available within the application as well, which will help you to use this application very nicely. Very nice and decent application. I have not found any issues whatsoever with it. Now taking selfies using the Fundu application is an awesome feature actually, by going into the more setting and clicking onto the remote shutter option. By click of one button you can capture the photo, and there we go. Now it's the selfie time. Now in terms of water resistance, smartwatch supports IP67 water resistance, so you can use it out and about, no problem whatsoever. Keep cleaning it if you want to, you would not damage it at all. Even for me, I have been using it while taking shower as well and washing hands now in this COVID season too. No problem whatsoever. And now here we are in the end of this video. I have been using this smartwatch from last couple of days, and so far so good. I like quite many things out of it, especially the price you are paying for it and the quality you are getting out of it. I have seen all the similar kind of application only in high-end smartwatches like Huawei GT2s or Amazfit smartwatches. Now this ZEBLAZE Vibe 3 GPS is fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. Come with the built-in GPS and GLONASS, fantastic. Battery life was quite limited, that's fine. It's like how much you are paying for it, that's what you are getting actually. Now if I compare the price of this smartwatch with the GT2 or Honor Magic 2, it's a 4 to 5 time difference guys, but similar kind of features with a bit of compromise, kind of acceptable to be honest with you. Now, if you ask me that will I recommend this smartwatch over Huawei GT2 or Amazfit, honestly speaking I will actually, if somebody's got a limited budget actually and wanted to have the same feature all these high-end smartwatches has got. Simple is that. This is a fantastic smartwatch, no doubt whatsoever. But if you still have any more questions about it, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help. Now, that will be all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.